Uh, your voice is not audible.
Yeah, sorry. So already we did write parameterization as a CSV data set. So now I don't want for the user parameter because anyone is fine, right? So that is why I disable this. And after that, we want to execute means go to the view results tree. Already I cleared this. Now you can observe already we are executed one time, right? See, it is executed one time, total 6 transactions. And this is the average response time minimum, and it is showing for the error count and everything it is showing. So you can observe if you execute again, what will happen? These results will be not cleared. So you can observe you are cleared for only this means it is not clear this. So if you want clear this also means we need to give from the clear all. Clear all. Then this everything is clear. Now you can go summary report. Now everything is clear. So clear all you can use for that point of you can use. Now we will results tree. Then again you can execute. See, everyone please concentrate JMeter because if you are good JMeter, because just you cannot mention any experience also, just I have knowledge and you need to explain what we are discussing everyday class and what are right. Everything you can explain, that's fine. Then he is thinking about, okay, it's good for the JMeter knowledge, but you don't have experience. So we'll give for trying and he will think. So that is why maximum our teammates, right? They are not concentrating from the JMeter. So please concentrate JMeter also practice as well as interview point of also you need to prepare. Already I shared in the group, okay, material. Go through that and you can prepare. And if you are facing any issue or any doubts, you can feel to contact me. Okay. Now we can observe launch happen. Login is also done. And click on pet and select product at next will be final transaction is going logout. So now you can go to debug sampler. Now you can see password is equal to password, username is equal to username game. Why means here you can observe we are given ignore first line only used if variable. You need to give for here true. So now we'll execute again view results. I'm clearing for all results. So please work as a teamwork, then everyone get good knowledge and you can discuss and practice well. Please concentrate JMeter also because now JMeter is increasing for scope. Scope is good for the JMeter also. So you guys free one day I will connect for the like Dynatrix class from one of my friend. Okay. Now you can observe password is a J2W and username is a J2W. This is picked from where? In the our CSV data set file. So if you want to for the parameterization means we can do for the, this is the way we can do. We can call it as here pre-processor. In the pre-process, sorry,
book
we can call it as a pre-processor. In the pre-processor, we have seen the user parameter and CSV data set. So we can do for this is the way you can do for the parameterization. It's clear everyone parameterization?
Yeah, Kiran.
Okay. Then okay. Already time is 7:50, right? Okay. Now we'll see the one post process also as a correlation. See, now we need to check with the each request wise we have any values will be there as a dynamic values. So in the launch we don't have anything, and click on from the login, and here also we don't have anything, and click on for here, and here you can observe password we know, and this username we are entered, but you can observe this source space and FB. So these values will be generating as a dynamic values. So we can do for the post processor. Post processor nothing but it's a correlation, because we need to handle the dynamic value point of we can do. So here we can do for the post processes. We can do for the regular expression based. Otherwise, you can do for the boundary based also we can do. So how to we can do means you can just copy this, and you need to execute for the one time, and after that go to the view results tree, and you need to search from the here. Okay, Control V, and you can search. Then we can observe here it is highlighted here, right? We can click on this. You can search from the here. See, you are able to see this. See, source space name is equal, this is the value. So you can take from the like boundary point of view, we can take for this all things up to, okay, this I can copy and keep it from the notepad. Okay, so now we need take from the LB RB. Already we know, right? Left boundary we can consider as a, this is the left boundary, and after that this is the right boundary. So now we need to add. So now one thing is important, where we can write. Okay, so we find for the boundary, that fine. Where we can write. Already we know, right? Actually request will be there here. Means we need to write for the above the request every time we know. But now first already it is highlighted where is response it's showing in launch. Means we need to write from the function here. So is the first occurrence we need to concentrate. So you can observe in launch, you can observe here also response there, here also response will be there. But first occurrence is happen here. So response is happen here. So you need to write from the here. So how to we can write means you can click on here, add, and here we can go to the post processor and select for the boundary extractor. And here you need to give for the variable name. So we are doing for the source page something, right? Source underscore CORR and left boundary. You can go to here. Already we take from the right. Okay, take for the left boundary this. And right boundary. And if you want to give for the match case, like match case, nothing but it is a ordinal point of view. If you want randomly means you can give for 0. Otherwise, if you want first occurrence, you can give for the first occurrence. Second occurrence, we can give. So that is depends default value. Maybe this value you are unable to search, like it's a boundary is mismatch, which message you want. Like I want for the not found message. So you need to do for the correlation like this. And after that, we need to replace. Okay, so we can go to the here, and you can copy this text only, right? You can copy this text and click on Control F, and you can search from this, and you can need to give for the name, right? What name you are given?
Source underscore page.
Source underscore core. So this value also we need to give for the same like this only we can give like dollar and open curly brace and Control V and close. And now you can replace all, because we know, right, everything. Just you can click, see it is a replace from here, it is highlighted. You can go here and you can observe it is replaced or not. You can see it is replaced or not. replace it. Now correlation is completed. Now we can execute. Now we can clear all. Then can execute. Now it is executing. So login is doing.
Hey,
See now execution is completed. You can go to the debug sampler. See now you can observe source core is equal to the value is picked. You can observe. So this value is a dynamic value. You can observe. You can copy this and go to the here and you can paste from the here. You can observe. Both values same or different? Different,
Yeah.
right? So means this will be dynamic value. We need to handle this dynamic value using for the post processor as a boundary extractor, maybe bound like a JSM extractor or whatever maybe based on for the our requirement you can use. So from the which bound extractor we need to use as a JMeter, you need to understand. So like this we can do for the correlation also. What are the values? Like next to FP also one of the dynamic value. And after that come to here and fish also it is a category ID. We have the different right randomly. So you need to select from the fish also you need to do for the correlation. And after that select a product. So we have the different products also will be there. So like this you can do for the all values. You need to complete from the correlation parameterization and we need to give for the validation points also. Okay.
ए भूख लगा गाना गाना गदम करा मेरे को
So exactly we don't know, right? Here it is showing as
राहुल
a
गाना
200, everything is a pass only it is showing because you are getting for the green color, nothing but it's a response sample response code is the 200 means you are getting for the valid. So how will be exactly you are getting the correct response or not means we need to add for the assertions. So we can see for the tomorrow classes assertions as well as what we discussed again we can discuss, but yourself you need to practice well. So here subject is a very less only. I'm telling for the one day only correlation parameter is completed, but you need to practice well. So that is a very difference is coming. Like load runner, we are giving from the classes will be more because subject will be more, and we have the different sections will be there. So that is why taking time, and you guys are practicing. But here I'm telling for the one day only correlation parameterization. You guys is not concentrating. So that is why today onwards everyone will practice well. You need to practice different URLs. Okay, you can do for the parameterization correlation, and you can record. One time you can record for the JMeter wise. You can do for the beautiful scripting, and you can do for the BlazeMeter. Okay, so you can try different ways, and you need to get from the good knowledge. Okay. So anyone have any doubts regarding this?
No.
So thank you for
Okay.
joining. Yes, please.
Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't have this root certificate installed. I have tried a couple of times, but I'm not getting that certificate when I install JMeter. So what could be the
Your
reason?
system actually Java is available.
Yes, it is there. Java 1.8 is there.
Java 1.8 is there.
Yeah.
You're able to opening the JMeter?
Yeah, I'm able to open it, but I don't have root certificate in bin folder.
Okay. Actually, it is automatically it will generate it. Okay, we'll see. Okay, after this. Okay.
Okay.
So anyone can help Sahaj. Okay. If not, I will connect. Okay.
Yeah, okay, Kiran.
Yeah. Thank you.
Actually, we
Yeah,
both have checked, Kiran Garu, but it is not generating. So I shared my root certificate also. At the time, it is throwing error. We cannot share the root certificate